What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another Self-Care Sundays video. We're just gonna jump right into it. Your girl got her first PR package. I just feel really blessed. I am humbled. I don't even know what to say. That's how good I feel. So I wanted to just like do a video just talking about like being a small influencer, what stage I'm at, where my mind is, how I'm feeling, and just do like a nice little chit chat because I feel like a girl talk is always needed. So come on, let's get to these boxes. Hopefully this setup is good for you guys. If you guys haven't watched my most recent video, I got 2 new puppies. One's temporary and the other one is going to be staying forever. Hopefully you guys can, you know, pay attention and they can sit still in their bed. So I wrote down some notes because I had some things on my mind. I just wanted to be on track for this video and just not ramble. These are the packages that I got. A few of them, a lot of it is skincare. A few of it is what I got for my birthday. So it was not all PR, but I did get my first PR package. So that's like super exciting, and that's like a major accomplishment when it comes on to being a small influencer. You guys know that being a small influencer comes with a lot of battles, or not battles, but hardships and like hard work. This whole experience wouldn't be anything without you guys. So I feel like a big thank you goes out to you guys, because if it wasn't for you like supporting and watching my videos, one, you wouldn't be able to be seen by brands or able to, you know, just get your content out there and like, you know, for it to help other people. I feel as though a lot of the videos that I do, I try to make them a little more helpful and like informative videos. So a big thank you goes out to you guys. Someone mentioned in one of my videos like why you don't do giveaways as much, and I feel as though there's like 2 sides to that. I should definitely do more giveaways, but I don't want to buy my subscribers, if you know what I mean. Like, I don't want to be like, oh, you have to be subscribed to my channel to win this gift card, to like reel people in. I want people to just genuinely feel me, feel my content, and appreciate what I'm doing, and just so I don't ever want to just be doing giveaways just to be doing giveaways. I do want to do a small little giveaway on Instagram for Christmas, so I am going to do that. But and then the other side, I feel as though as a person, I'm working on being a little bit more generous. I am, to be completely honest, I am not the most generous person. I tend to be generous to the people that I love, like my mom, my dad, my friends, and so forth. But like people I don't know, I'm not going to be like, here. It's just not something that I don't necessarily believe like I was taught. And as I grow older and like just be spiritual and stuff, you realize that generosity is like a big thing. Giving is just like a really heartfelt thing. So as I mature in my faith, that's something like God convicts me about. So I am working on being a little bit more gracious, because you know, you want to hold on to what you have, and what's yours is yours. So the other thing that I wanted to talk about is sometimes it can be hard as a small influencer, especially a beauty influencer, to continuously use the same products, and probably you're not being sent products or the new latest thing. Like, sometimes I try to get new things and just like get things that I know that I will use, and in return like review that. But sometimes it's hard to like keep up with every other week. Like Fenty comes out with something, and Fenty's like one of my favorite brands, you know. So it's really hard to like stay consistent, and you know, you want to do your videos to let them be seen. I mean, to be completely honest, who want to do a video and get 2 views? I think no one. The aim is to have people engaging in your content. So a part of that comes with like talking about the latest things and stuff like that. So part of me just felt as though I wanted to transition to a little bit more lifestyle content, because that gives me a little bit more flexibility to you know, do different things with my channel. So that's why I'll introduce like my little puppies, and I do my little self-care Sundays. The other part is for me to be creative and think outside the box and come up with things that don't necessarily include getting new products every single week and talking about PR. So sometimes I can get into like a little funk and not know what I want to create. Today I want to just quickly unbox the things that I got for my birthday and my first PR package, because it's a milestone for me. It's a big achievement, and I know it's probably like 1 or 2 items, but either way, I'm just really happy about it. So let's start off with the bigger box and then we move on to the smaller items. You gonna help mama? You gonna help me, baby? Let me get my little handy dandy knife. So this package is items that I got for my birthday from my mom. And a lot of it is skincare. Excuse me. Hey, hello. You have to be nice. Okay, so I got a ton of face masks. So these are all from Pathology. So this one goes underneath your eyes. And I'm super excited to try that in like a Self-Care Sundays video. So I think I got 1, 2. I got 2 of those. Do you guys use eye gels? I don't know. The under eyes is like one of the things that I feel like I really neglect in my skincare. So getting these eye patches, I figured, you know, it's a good way to start, like, you know, treating my under eyes. Here's the box you can play with. The next item is a skincare fridge. Y'all, I have been wanting a skincare fridge for probably a year now, but I kept on saying to myself it's not really a necessity, so I wasn't gonna like splurge, but my mom offered to get it for me for my birthday, so it's here. So I forgot to mention that this order is from Urban Outfitters, so everything that I'm talking about right now you can find on their website. Okay, I have nobody to help me. Rue, Snowball, I need your help. Ta-da! Ooh. So it looks like this. And then you open it up at the side. So I picked this one out of all the other ones that I researched online because it seems to have the most space. And I have a lot of skincare stuff. So I wanted to have more than enough because it's already a mini fridge. Like, if I get a mini fridge and it's really mini inside, it defeats the purpose. Okay, so next I got some Uggs, also from my mom. Black low tops Uggs. And these are going to be super cute for the winter and keep your feet warm. Regular black Uggs, I'm sure you guys know what that looks like. And last but not least is the Paula's Choice Skincare Beauty Begins with the Truth. Isn't that a statement? I love that. So I've never tried anything from Paula's Choice before, and when they reached out to me I was just like, I've been seeing you guys products around probably for the last month or so much, and I'm just like, oh, I would love to try that. But you know when you don't really want to spend money. So the item that they sent over is their 2% BHA liquid exfoliant, and they reached out to me because of that video that I did with the Ordinary products, their peeling solution. So this is a 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. Here is what she looks like. This is meant for all types of skin. This helps to unclog and shrink enlarged pores, smooth and even skin tone. It's a lightweight liquid and it absorbs quickly. So I just want to say thank you, Paula's Choice, for being my first beauty PR package. If you guys are seeing this, keep doing what you're doing. I am looking forward to seeing what else this line has and, you know, try out some new goodies. So thank you guys so much again. So let me set up where I'm going to put my skincare fridge so you guys can see. Okay, so over here is where I'm planning on putting her. So now I can show you guys the products that I actually want to put in here. I think I'm gonna take all of my face masks from out of my bathroom. I'm gonna put them all in here. I probably should wipe her down first with like some disinfectant wipes, so let me go get that. So the first item I'm going to put in here is my toner. When I put this product on my face, it's already cold, so I don't think like this is a product that needs to be at room temperature. I think I also want to put my Moisture Surge. I also want to put my Laneige Sleep and Lip Mask in here. I'm going to keep my beauty oil out here. Should I put a sugar scrub in here? Does that make sense? I think I'll leave the sugar scrub. I'm going to definitely put the eye cream. Anything cold helps depuffs the under eyes. I'm gonna put in 6 eye patches. Let's put those on. Probably these will be good right here. And lastly, I have a whole bunch of face masks. Fresh Rose face mask, Kiehl's Ultra Facial Overnight Hydrating Mask. We have the Generation Clay. This stuff is bomb. If you got pimples and you want to get rid of them really fast, just put this all over your face. This is the Origins Drink It Up 10-minute mask. This is super hydrating and like literally quenches the thirst on your face. The Origins Clear Improvement, also another clarifying charcoal mask. You guys know what this is for, right? Summer Fridays Jet Lag Face Mask. Talk about this a ton, and that's definitely going in there. And then last but not least, this Dr. Wellness Peel Off Facial Vitamin C Mask. This, if you want to quickly brighten your skin. I'm also going to put in my Gua Sha tool. I'm not sure if I should just leave it in the package. I think I'm going to just put her right here, or maybe here. No, let's put her here. Y'all, look at that. That is so, it's so cute. Let me put it in the light so you can probably get a better look at it. But she's very cute. So yeah, that is pretty much it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel and just engaging in anything that I do on here. And I just want to leave with, if you guys know any other small YouTubers, you know, supporting their channel, liking, sharing, commenting, that kind of stuff really helps out their channel with the YouTube algorithm. So anytime you see your favorite content creator creating videos, be sure to do all of those things. Ruru, Snowflake, come on babies, come say bye. And of course, be sure to check out my vlogging channel where you can see more of these cuties. You guys want to say bye? Say see you later. Thanks for watching Mommy's channel.
Hey yo, chill, it's just a draft. Yeah. She a little bad, hit her with the bag, yeah. Put it on the tab, don't know how to act, yeah. How you like that? How you like